Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to use image assist in your Flutter project. So let's create a new one. Use your terminal or Android Studio for create a new project. I am using Android Studio. Here I can see start a new Flutter project. I am going to click it. Already selected Flutter application. Go next. Project name as Flutter underscore and image assist. Great. Click next. Use your company domain and finish. Okay, to learn more about Flutter, please subscribe to my YouTube channel youtube.com/scikar, and you can visit to Flutter tutorials playlist in playlist tab. This is the one, Flutter tutorials. Okay, now I want to delete all of these codes. To do that, in Flutter image assist project, in live directory, I can see my main.dat file. I'm going to delete every code. Okay, now I have to import material.dat file. Okay, package colon flutter slash material.dat. Okay, now create main function and call for run app. Great. Now we have to create a new dat file. In live directory, click file, use name as home.dat. In this, first I am going to import material.dat file, package colon flutter slash material.dat. Now I am going to create a new class here, class home. This is extends with stateless widget. Add braces here. Okay, now we have to implement the build widget. How we can do it? Widget build and add brackets. Inside brackets use build context. This name as context. Okay, now also create braces. Now we have to override this build method by using at override. Great. Now in main.dat file we have to import our home.dat file here. Home.dat. Great. Now we can call for this class home and brackets. Great. Now we have to put a image assist here. First I'm going to download the image from Google. I'm going to download image of a rabbit. This one is better. Sorry, I'm showing some caption here. I don't need the caption. Great. I'm going to save this one. Save image as JPG. I'm going to rename that as rabbit.jpg. Now open your Flutter project again. Here you have to create a new directory called images. In your root project directory, right click it and new directory, use image. Okay, here we can put our images in. Okay, we have added our image here. Can you see this pubspec.yaml file? Open it, and here you can find codes for image assist. Those are commented. Please uncomment those codes by selecting those codes and press command and slash. Here we can change this image name. We have to rename first one as in our image directory. We call it rabbit.jpeg. So use your image file name and format. Okay, I'm going to comment this also. Make sure you have only 2 spaces, not 3. So remove one like this. Also remove another one here. Great. Now in home.dart file, I'm going to return a container widget. Return container open bracket and close and use semicolon. Inside container bracket, make a line space for organize your code. First use alignment parameter and value as alignment dot center. Great. Now we can put a child here. That is where we are going to put our image assist. I'm going to create a new class below as class and class name as rabbit image, and this is extend with stateless widget. Also use braces and add a build method. Also widget build context, use braces again. Here I'm going to add in assist image variable, assist image, and assist images also variable name, and equals new assist image, and assist name as our image file name, that is rabbit.jpeg. Okay, now we can create image, an image from this assist image. Use assist image variable name here. Alright, now we can return our image here. Return image. Okay, now in our container child, we can call for this class rabbit image as the class. Okay, now you can see pubspec has not been edited. To resolve that, click get dependencies. I'm sorry, I'm seeing an error here because of open my pubspec.yaml file again. Here I can see some text to add assist to your application and an assist section like this. I'm going to comment that text, select all and press command and slash for comment. Let's see again. Now we can run our app. Before running app, I'm going to remove widget underscore test.dart file in test directory. Now command and space and search for my simulator. Also you can use your Android emulator in Android Studio. You have to open it from your Android AVD manager, but I have iOS simulator from my Xcode. Now I'm going to run this app. I am seeing blank here because of I also made a mistake here. In this access image code, I forget to add image, that means this directory name, and add slash. Let's run again. Okay, you have learned something from me. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, youtube.com/SCIKER.